How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at another set of LEDs. I'm on a quest to find the best set of LED headlights for my subscribers, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Lasfit LED headlights and fog lights. I don't know if I butchered your name, Lasfit, however you want to say it. We're going to be taking a look at their LED headlights and fog lights, and I'm going to be comparing them to my factory halogen bulbs. Now, if you guys remember, in the past, I did do a review on the aux beam headlights and fog lights that they sent me. I'll throw in some clips right here. The fog lights that they sent me were just some like $20, just cheap fog light bulbs. And I actually got a comment and some dude said, hey dude, those fog lights are not gonna work like you want. You're gonna need to pick up some actual heavy duty fog lights, and I'll show you what Lasfit sent here today. I told them if they want me to review their product, I'm gonna need a matching set of some nice fog lights and some nice headlights. That way I don't have any of those problems like I did with the aux beams. The aux beam headlights were good, but compared to these, I don't know. We'll have to find out. Now I'm going to do a quick little unboxing. The boxing on the exterior, I love how it feels. I like how they put extra detail into it compared to the aux beam. And if you think I'm not going to refer to the aux beams multiple times, you're tripping. I'm obviously going to refer to the bulbs that I was sent previously compared to these. And this box compared to the aux beams is just way more professional. The aux beams came with like a little paper flap and everything like that. It was a lot more rinky-dinky. I don't know if that's a word, but we're gonna use it today. But it was a lot more rinky-dinky. This is like legit. This feels like, you know, this is like an exclusive package. Opening it up, if you could pull apart these two levers, they just really want to just keep sucking on each other. We get obviously a product manual and some little card right here. You can join their elite club. But we do have their fog light bulb. I did replace already one of them in my car, so I'm going to compare that. But here is their fog light bulb, and this one just compared to the aux beam one, it's just night and day. I mean, it's got its own personal little fan. This is a legit LED bulb. It's none of that little plug-in shit. This is a solid bulb right here, okay? And this is exactly what I was looking for. When I hit them up, I wanted something legit. I didn't want that $20 bulb. This is legit braided cable. It's really nice quality. It doesn't have too much weight to it. It is just a fog light after all. When we get to the headlight, you guys will see what real weight is like. But overall, I really like the quality of this fog light bulb. The headlight box is a bit bigger. The exterior is pretty similar though, but it is a bit bigger because there's a lot more on the inside. And again, pull apart the two levers and we got the same stuff, product manual and the little elite card. And then here is the headlight bulb, and it comes with its own, now I don't know what these are called, but it's got its own little pack back here. Got to keep it cool. I don't know exactly what this is for. Again, if you guys are an LED headlight enthusiast, you guys probably know, but I don't know the component, what this is called. But again, the headlight a little bit beefier than the fog light. I will hold them up side by side, but it's got its own personal fan as well, which you can actually hear. I will show you guys later. And it's got its little tower pack back here. I forgot what this is called, but overall, just a really nice headlight. Let's compare the two side by side, see the size difference. And you can see it's a pretty big difference. The base is a little bit beefier on the headlight itself, and the little penis sticking up is a bit fatter and longer as well. So we have a girthier headlight, and then obviously compared to a little halogen, Now I have turned off the lights in my garage. We're gonna do a quick little indoor comparison of the LEDs on the left side and then the halogens on the right side. So let's take a quick little look. The bright ass fog light to the left is the LED one. The halogen fog light is still bright, but it is not as bright as the LED. And the headlights are a night and day difference. Okay, I didn't tinker with this. That's not the high beam. I didn't tinker with any of this stuff. If I turned on the high beams, the fog lights would turn off, okay? So that just shows the difference between LEDs and halogens. The halogens, you can see inside the housing still, but not on the LED. If I get really close, you guys can easily probably hear the fans. I mean, especially if I stick it right behind there. That is the fan of the actual LED working. And I mean, just the difference. I mean, look at that. You could still see the housing, and you cannot see the housing unless the camera starts to adjust, but you cannot really see the housing on the actual LED. I mean, look at that. Just, it looks like a star. The difference is night and day. All right, and then once you complete the install, your car just looks 10 times nicer. It looks way more clean up front. No more nasty yellow bulbs. Now you have the nice clean white bulbs. I believe these are 6000K. That is the whiteness. You can go even more or less if you want more of a blue bulb, if you want more of a white bulb. I like these. The 6000K I think is the nice spot. I'm personally a fan of this color, and also if you guys don't know why they have fans, it's because classic halogens, they get hot, and you could hear them, they're loud. Classic halogens, they get hot on the bulb. The LEDs actually get hot behind the bulb, so you have to have something to cool it down. Now, the I believe they were what, the aux beams? The aux beams that I was sent before didn't have any fans on any of them, so that was kind of a clear indicator that they weren't the most expensive pair. These are a bit nicer. They are actually a lot nicer in my own opinion. But LEDs are LEDs, they work either way, but just nice. It's nice having a nice cooling fan to keep it running at a nice temperature. All right, well now let's go for a drive. Obviously, we gotta wait for it to get dark. It is like the middle of the day right now. So instead of waiting to go forward, I'm just gonna travel back in time and record last night. It just seems a little bit easier that way. So I'm gonna go record last night and then I will finish up the video right here. All right, so I'm driving on a dark street at 4:43 in the morning, and this is headlights and fog lights on. This is fog lights off. The difference is night and day, almost literally. I mean, it's adjusting a little bit for a camera. If you guys don't know, cameras adjust different lights to kind of balance it out. Anyway, but the difference in person, I mean, I can see all the way at the end of the street. I can see the reflectors, I can see the sign. When you turn it off, it's less noticeable, but it is still noticeable. The LEDs make a really big difference compared to halogens. They're a lot more clearer too, so just seeing objects is a lot easier. Okay, so as sketch as this is, because it is 4 in the morning, I'm going to demonstrate how bright they are. This is lights off clearly. This is headlights on, camera adjust, and this is fog lights on. So it just completely floods the whole street with light. And it's a big difference, honestly. From halogens to this, it is a big difference. I can see all the reflectors all the way down the street. And that is what I wanted. I wanted something to where when I go on canyon runs, I can see everything, okay? Before, I would have to rely on my friend's light bar or something of the sorts. Now, I can see everything. I can legit just see everything with my own fog lights. I don't even have to use the high beams. The fog lights alone are just bright enough. They just flood everywhere, which is just great. It's just really convenient and I like it. Now here, this is low beams and that is high beams. It's a little hard to tell. I don't know why, but low beams and high beams are a little bit harder to tell. I prefer just the fog lights on all the time. Blind the fuck out of everyone, who cares? But honestly, the fog lights do make a really big difference. Now, there are no LEDs just pointed directly at anyone. It is legal, so you're not just completely blinding anyone, but the fog lights are just super bright. They are really nice, and I love them so much. I remember the last set of LED fog lights I got. They were really cheap, little $20 bulbs that you just pop in, something that you would buy at like AutoZone. And these, compared to that, are just, this is like a star, and then the other shit is like the moon. It's just a huge difference. It is really, really bright. Now, I have been driving with these for a few days now, like I stated earlier. I wanted to do that just so I can get a feel for them. When I had the other LEDs installed with the previous brand, I didn't have them installed before my review. I installed them that day, and then I drove around and I thought they were great. And then I came to find out that they weren't as bright. I didn't like them a couple days down the line, and I just wasn't feeling them, so I swapped them out. But with these, I've been driving for about, I don't know, 3 to 4 days now. And it's just, I don't know why. I just like driving at night a little bit more. I'm not just saying this because I want you guys to buy the product. You guys don't have to buy the product. I'm just saying my 2 cents about it. I'm saying what I experienced. I just like driving at night now. I mean, it's a lot more clean. I don't see those nasty yellow bulbs. It's just, I don't know, it's a personal thing. You guys would probably understand if you guys have changed from halogens to, I don't know, HIDs or LEDs. It just makes a big difference, and driving at night is just a lot more pleasant. It also makes your car look a bit cleaner too. But it's all opinionated. You guys know what you guys like. I'm just saying what I like. And personally, I like the look of these nice white bulbs. Some people like the bluer tint, but I like these white bulbs personally. Now, I don't want to be too loud out here because it is 4 in the morning, but I mean, the difference, look how just crisp and white those lights look. And I mean, you can just tell the fog lights are just way brighter than the actual headlights. And that's because the headlights, they're not supposed to technically point upwards. That's what they're, low beams and high beams. And the fog lights just kind of go everywhere. Although you can look at them and you're not going to be blinded. I'm staring right into them right now and my eyes are not dying from it. You can actually hear the fans, the cooling fans on these. Listen really quick. I don't know if you guys can hear it on camera. I'm gonna try to get it really close. But I can hear the fans audible with my own ears. I mean, they're pretty loud. They're not crazy loud to where you're going to be annoyed of them. Obviously, you're not going to hear it over the sound of a car being on. But they are working, they are functional, and they are cooling off those hot LED bulbs. And that will do it, guys. That will conclude my little install and slight review of the Lasfit LED headlights and fog lights. Personally, I think these are great LED headlights and fog lights. They look great, they work, and they're easy to install. Now, obviously, depending on what car you have to install them differently, but they work great on my car and they look great too. It's nice to up your car's appearance and also have it serve a purpose, and that's what these do. I see a lot better at night now. I've been using them for about a week or so now, and I love them. I'm absolutely in love with them. Can't wait to go on a canyon run with them and just flood the whole area with light. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to go pick up a set, I will put a link in the description down below. Go check them out. Until next video, peace.